Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to search Autoruns entries online step by step. Searching startup entries online helps you identify unknown programs, verify whether they're legitimate, and decide if they're safe to keep enabled. So let's get started. First, open Autoruns on your Windows computer and allow it to run with administrator privileges if prompted. Wait for the application to finish scanning your system and display all startup entries. Next, browse the list and locate the startup item you want to investigate. Review details such as the entry name, publisher, image path, and description to make sure you've selected the correct item before searching for more information. Now right-click the entry and choose Search Online. Autoruns will open your default web browser and search for information about that startup item using its file name or related details. This is a quick way to learn whether the entry belongs to Windows, a trusted application, or another program installed on your computer. As you review the search results, compare information from reliable sources such as the software developer's website, Microsoft documentation, or well-known technical communities. This helps you make informed decisions before disabling or deleting any startup entry. If you're still unsure about an item, leave it enabled until you've confirmed its purpose. Disabling essential Windows components or trusted software without understanding what they do can cause applications or system features to stop working correctly, and that's it. You now know how to search Autoruns entries online and safely identify unknown startup items before making changes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.